My name is Kabir Sani, making physics SS2, topic thermal expansivity in solid, liquid, and gas. Introduction: most solid and liquid expand when heated. Scientifically, we accept that when solid, liquid, and gas are heated, they expand. And they also contract when cooled. That is, when there is change in temperature and the temperature is removed, then they go back to their normal position. That leads us to the explanation of expansion. Expansion means increase in size of an object. Expansion is solid. Expansion is solid comes in different situations, which it can be linear expansivity, area expansivity, and volume or cubic expansivity. Volume or cubic expansivity applies to solid and liquid, but mostly in liquid. For our previous model, we already know linear expansivity, which is increase in length per unit degree rise in temperature. Area expansivity is the increase in area per unit degree rise in temperature. Volume expansivity is the increase in volume per unit degree rise in temperature. And this is the mathematical expression of both linear area and volume expansivity, which I know you already know the terms of the latest there. Expansion in liquid. That is our main topic. Expansion in liquid is complicated by the expansion of the container, because while the liquid expands, the container equally expands. So it is important to differentiate between real and apparent cubic expansivity. Real or absolute, we call it real or absolute cubic expansivity. It is represented by gamma R. This R stands for real, and this is what symbol representing cubic or volume expansivity, gamma. It's defined as increase in volume per unit volume per degree rise in temperature. Then for apparent cubic expansivity, it is represented by gamma I. It's defined as the increase in volume per unit volume per degree rise in temperature. But in this case, when the liquid is heated in expansible vessel. Expansible vessel is a vessel or container which is able to expand when temperature is changed. Expansion in gas. Expansion in gas. Gas expands when pressure is applied on it. Gas has the highest expansion because it doesn't have direction of flow. That means when gas is expanded, that is, pressure is applied on gas. Taking example of gas we use in our home now. When you apply pressure on it, it explodes. It doesn't have direction of flow because of the pressure applied on it, therefore it expands. We have advantages of expansion. Number one, use of the metallic strip in A. Fire alarm, B. Bimetallic thermometer, C. Electric pressing iron. Bimetallic means two metal that enable us to control our pressing iron. When it regulates the pressing iron, when it is hot, then it's sound. That means it reacted, then they are together, but they will separate and allow the temperature of the iron to change. And when it is wanted to be much heated, then it's linked together and give us the actual temperature we want. Then disadvantage of expansion. Number one, cracking of glass cup when hot water is poured in it. Sagging of overhead wire. The wire we use on our pole, when they are put on, they are straightened, but due to expansion, the wire tend to touch each other. Sometimes you see that the wire they increase in length. Cracking in the balanced iron sheet used in roofing. Then assignment. Here is your assignment. Write 3 advantage and 3 disadvantage of expansion. Thank you very much for this.